Hello, welcome to how to solve this radical equation for x. First we take square on both sides. Square root of x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. And we take square on both sides. Next, this square will be cancelled with this square root. And this x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 will be written here. X to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 is equal to, there is a rule of exponents that a times b to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. According to this rule, this power 2 will become the power of this 4 and this square root of 5. Like this, 4 to the power 2 times square root of 5 to the power 2. Next, x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 is equal to 4 to the power 2 as it is, times this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left 5. Next, we factorize this left side. X to the power 3 plus x to the power 2. We can take x to the power 2 as common. X to the power 2 as common times, when we divide this x to the power 3 by this x to the power 2, here left x, and this plus comes here, and when we divide this x square by this x square, here we left 1 is equal to 4 to the power 2 times this 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. Now if we compare this left side of this equation to the right side of this equation, we can see that here is x square and here is 4 square, and here is x plus 1, here 4 plus 1. From here we conclude that the value of x is equal to 4. Now to check that this value is correct or not, we put this value in the original equation. The original equation is square root of x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. We put this value of x 4 in this equation, and this equation becomes square root of 4 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 2 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. Next, square root of 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64 plus 4 to the power 2 is equal to 16 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. Next, square root of 64 plus 16 is 80 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. Now we factorize this 80. 80, first we divide by 2, 2 40 times 80, 2 20 times 40, and 2 10 times 20, 2 5 times 10, and 5 1 time 5. Here we have 1 pair and 2 pair, 2 pairs of 2 and 1 time 5. So we can write this 80 as 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 times 5, and this is under square root is equal to 4 times square root of 5. Next, this square is cancelled with the square root, and this square is cancelled with the square root, and here left 2 times 2 times square root of 5 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. 2 times 2, 4 times square root of 5 is equal to 4 times square root of 5. From here you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is proved that the value of x is 4.